Today we will talk about arrays in C. Arrays is a very important topic, and array is the basic data structure available in C language. What for it is used, we'll discuss it. As we have already seen that for certain numbers to be entered or values to be entered, we usually use variables. Like to enter one number, we use this kind of construct, and to enter two numbers we may have one more variable. But what if we require a number of items? It can be integer, it can be character, a string, or floating point values, various a group of numbers to be stored somewhere and entered simultaneously. For that, data structure which is called arrays is being used. Now, how array is being defined, I will try to give you an analogy between these two lines and the array, because this array has come just because number of variables cannot be given more than an extent. It will become cumbersome and very difficult for a user to manage them. For that, and our data type has to be given, and the name of the array. Say the name of the array is value, and then we give square bracket, and here inside where the cursor is blinking right now, we give number of values to be entered. Say here we have 2, and then it ends with a semicolon. So this is the declaration of an array whose name is value, and where you can keep 2 integer values. This is very important. The name of the array is value, and it will point to the address of the first value which user has entered. Now this particular array is ready to take 2 values. Let's start, and 2 values are very easy to enter, so we'll try to enter 3 values. And how we are going to enter 3 values? The best part, if we are not using array, is through scanf, like this, scanf. And what we are going to do here is, for every ijk, for each item we use %d, 3% we will use, and you will see that how we are going to translate this particular way to an array. And now here we use ampersand. This is again an addressing, and value array will also use addressing. So I, then we have ampersand j, and finally ampersand k. So 3 values we can enter. For the time being, let me comment it and run this program and see 1, 2 and 3 values are being entered. But now I am not interested in scanning the values through variables. I am interested in using array. Array is set of values in contiguous memory, means first value will have second on the back side, or you can say that second value has 1 on the front side, means it will follow. Second will follow first, third will follow second, and likewise. So how we are going to enter the values? For that we need to use our looping construct, which we have already seen. Try using for, and here we use I, or rather some other variable, say L is equal to 0. start with 0, L less than 3, because we need to enter 3 values, and L plus plus. We generally use I because I have already used I here, so I don't want to repeat it. That's why I have not used L, but try using I because this is the trivial thing. And now what I am going to do is, just to show the analogy, I will try and place it here, scanner. And I will replace these with blanks, and just, I'm just doing it because I need to show that ampersand will remain same, the scanf situation remains same. Only what will change is that I have to give the name of the array, and since array is defined like this, we have to use this, and we will use L here. Every time L will change value from 0, then 1, then 2. It will not reach 3 because the condition will reach at 2 and it will culminate. So let's find out what it does, because I don't want the value to be entered, because the user will not be able to see what he has entered. So I will try and show you that how we can print these 3 values and show that user has entered this. For that I'll use printf, again this print %d, and just remove ampersand. This is so easy. Just remove ampersand and you will see